Hello everybody, we're back again to my videos. We are here over at the waterfall. The waterfall that we are heading over to is called Kapuni Waimea. I think that's, if I'm not mistaken, that's how you pronounce it. But again, I'm sorry if I said it the wrong way. But I'm going to show you one of the maps that we are heading over to. Yeah, it's called Waimea Valley. Oh yeah, one more thing. There's actually a admission fee, which is an adult $25. Kids under the age 12 is $10 if I'm not mistaken. Oh, also, this is also a fact that Jumanji actually they play out here. The They filmed it down here, which is we're gonna go in the front. I'm gonna shoot up the picture of the people, the cast. The Rock was he's also there, and some other great. Jack Black is also there. But yeah, I'm gonna go back up in the front. We're gonna go see it later on our way back. But just enjoy and look up all this scenery. Look at here. It's all jungle. Like I'm just gasping for some air. So don't mind me, guys. So you were forward and you again, like I was mentioning before, we are heading off to Waterfall, Waimea Valley Waterfall. Stay tuned, y'all.
We're friends cart coming from behind you guys.
Yeah.
It's not in my head though.
Yeah.
This lake area, it's pretty open.
I know. Now there's like all free.
Yeah. So you kind of bite it. What the hell is that going on now? Fungi among guy. Kind of like an eating eye. What's that thing?
Yeah. We're almost there, guys. Dinosaur net. So the dinosaur won't jump out.
That looks like the cage.
What is it? Like those
Jurassic.
reptile birds?
Yeah,
The Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park.
The what is that? That bird cage.
The bird cage. Yep.
That one is actually to prevent any falling rocks or something.
Like low 70s.
Put your arm down.
And we all have to wear the